Sir.
3, 2, 1, go. You only have 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes, just 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. We'll finish it. Last
3, 2, 1, go.
So we have various solutions to deal with anophobia. So we are going to train the individual and we are going to make sure that he has access to all this. Less caffeine, adequate hydration, enough sleep, healthy diet. So that, and we also have to take him to counseling sessions with Dr. Manikandan, who will teach him various therapies in order to find himself more comfortable with the crowd. And that's one particular technique which my friend told. It's like a real life incident. Actually, once I was making a presentation in front of a lot of people, I was like really nervous at that time. I was like very little. I asked my friend, dude, what should I do? I'm really nervous. Then he told me, oh, don't consider them as people, don't consider them as vegetables or fruit. So you won't feel the pressure. He told and it works. So visualization, that was what he actually taught me a therapy back then, which I didn't know. So we could do visualization in order to erase crowd fear. Now Sanjana will quickly explain his solution.
We we joined hands with MSNs and we created an even called MS sessions. So in that we taught many people's how to speak and we we analyzed them and we came up with solutions and they are free from not.
So the last person is a person who was forced to choose some other subject by parents. Mohit and Nitin will quickly give solution for this part and Ritan. Come on, come on. Ritan, start.
Anna, can you repeat that? You cut out.
Yeah, so now Mohit and Ritan will give the final set of solutions for the person who was forced to pick another subject by his parents.
Okay, now. So I have two solutions for
Okay, Mohit.
this. Okay, so I have two solutions for this problem. One is that the person that's forced to choose subject, so to face his parents and tell them the truth that he has no interest to choose a subject, because people should decide what they want to study, because once you decide what you want to study, it determines what job you want to go to. The second solution is that maybe the person doesn't like has no interest in the subject because he's looking at it from one point of view. But if you look at something from a different point of view, your interest change. So maybe he can also do that. Continued by Ritanana.
So thank you, Mohit. And my idea is, so if the parents are the persons who is like forcing the students to attend this school or attend this job, but why don't we just change the parents? So the first solution is try to change the parents and make them allow their children to go to their loud places and loud school. And I think this should be a good solution, and with that there will be no problem with the parents and the students, and I think this should be a good solution. Thank you for everyone for listening our presentation carefully. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. So I'd like to conclude by a famous quote. Don't expect mercy if you don't show mercy to others. Similarly, don't expect help if you don't show help to others. That's the motto of our organization. Thank you, everyone.
Brilliant presentation, everybody.
Very well done, team.
Thank you.
Very well done. So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
yeah, good job, everybody. So what we'll do is you bring the chair a little bit front, and you guys facing them sit like this, so that I'll stand in the middle, and we'll do some analysis. Anything. Monday match. So chairs will put in it. So head shape like to continue. Amma நீங்க அப்படி அவங்க பார்த்து chair face. Okay. You okay? You have both the teams and I am in the middle. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Right. So it's time for us to speak about the evaluation and scores of both the teams that have finished the 2 rounds. So as for the case study, the 3 members are now disappeared from Stanley's Bungalow. Good point is that in both the rounds, both the teams, neither of the teams had this unfortunate moment of the possibility of attack or possibility of kidnap. So I really appreciate that, and I would like to give 30 points bonus for both the teams for not gathering yourself any penalties or any plan of attack or plan of kidnapping. So you can add 30 points bonus for both of you. Yeah, you are.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now let's go individual by individual. So just like we did in the first round, we'll go individual by individual. First of all, I would like to speak about Mridubhashini in Team Sivyadityan. So Mridubhashini, each individual has been scoring out of 50. So Mridubhashini in this round showed a lot of improvement. So she scores 41.
Thank you.
Good job. And we'll come to the captain.
Thank you.
And we will come to the captain Sivyadityan. So who has been not only giving his own, who has not only been giving his own contribution, but also showed a lot of improvement in his merry enthusiasm. And when he was immediately called up during that call center situation, he occupied. It's not easy for a 5th grade student to understand those stuff and get into that. So I really appreciate and giving 40 marks for Sibyadityan.
Super Sibi.
Well done, Sibi.
And then now we will go to Kalpita Sri. Kalpita has been very active right from the very beginning, and she has been keeping herself busy in the previous round to prepare the presentation. But this time the presentation was prepared by Mitra, but Kalpita was able to do her justice full part as far as her explanation was concerned. She explained many things, and during the team discussion, she made sure that she involved every single person's attention, every single person's idea got its own deserving limelight. So I'll give 44 for Kalpita.
Very well done, Kalpita. Very well done, Kalpita.
Well done, Kalpita.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now I would like to speak about Vishnupriya. So Vishnupriya has been very much involved in the team discussion, and she has also been showing a lot of improvement in whatever she spoke. But as far as the spirit is concerned, as far as the activeness is concerned, she was showing a lot of improvement. And not only that, the content richness was more when she was trying to explain. She vividly remembered who is in the football team, who is in the cricket team, and all that, so that showed her commitment. So Vishnupriya also scores 40 marks. Good job.
Well done,
Well
Vishnupriya.
done, Vishnupriya. Sir, Vishnupriya scored 40 marks, right, sir?
Yes. Now let's come
Thank
to
you, sir.
Udayashri Brinda. So on the spot memory retaining. If you get into the platform of on the spot memory retaining, Udayashri Brinda was an expert in that. She was very fast in explaining things, and she was also very much keen to not to make any mistake and put her own teammates into trouble. So that sincerity has been there in Udayashri Brinda. So she scores 42 out of 50.
Well done, Brinda.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's move to Balaji. So Balaji has been very active in the team discussion. He has been correcting the mistakes. He has been trying to improvise. He has been suggesting the most important suggestibles in all the spheres of the team discussion. And during the performance also, he was keeping himself so strong, and he was giving his rich contribution. And his language has seen a good improvement. So he scored 43 out of 50.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Very well done, Balaji Anna.
Last but by no
Sir,
means
so-
least, Mitra Day. Guru Prasad.
No, sir, no, sir, I told well done to Balaji, no, sir, but
Okay. Right. Mitra, so Obviously, a person who has been running like his career here and there just to make things, and during the PPT presentation also, she was doing something very, very continuously. Akka, Satama basically. To Mridubashni, Akka, to the best of to Vishnu Priya. So this was consistently. And Mridubashni and Vishnu Priya kept on murmuring as if it is in a max class and as if it is a spectacle wearing max teacher coming and saying, stop murmuring, stop murmuring. I had to say that because those two girls were speaking, murmuring. I can give a possible minus for that behavior. How to get a sleeping? No, face heater, regular sensitivity. Okay, so minus is skipped, but Mitra has been handling too many things, and there was one silent little cheesecake mom who did not even speak in the team discussion, so she had to manage him also. Kalpita and Balaji were very fast in having the contribution. And during the presentation, she managed things really well, so she has scored 45 out of 50.
Very well done, Mitra.
295 is the score by Team CBI in the second round. Okay, so now we are shifting gears and we are coming to Team Rita Nitish. And we will start with Guru Prasanna. So although there was a kind of an absence in the middle and he caught up really well, and yesterday he was trying to contribute well to the team discussion and also during the presentation, yes, there was a kind of a slight feeling that I had that he could have spoken a little bit more, but again, whatever the contribution that he has given was good enough and optimum. So I really appreciate Guru Prasanna for showing his courage and also showing the way. 39.
Well done, Guru.
Next, we would like to speak about Mohit Sandhu Kumar, who has been very active in preparing the presentation, and he has been very committed in sending the PPT to me. And during the presentation, he gelled along with whatever the flow that Dakshin, Sanjay, and Aswathaman had, and he was operating the PPT and properly speaking whenever needed and stopping whenever needed. So he has been very much into the flow and was also good in terms of correcting his teammates whenever was needed during the team discussion. One good point about Mohit is he is very straightforward. He calls a spade a spade. He says a wrong thing, he says a right thing, a right thing. It's a very good straightforward quality in Mohit. I really appreciate that. So 42 out of 50.
Very well done, Mohit.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Well
you,
done,
sir.
Mohit.
Very well done, Mohit.
Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Na.
Now we will move on to Rita Nitish, the captain. So he has been so good. He's been very active right from the very beginning, right from the day one of Stanley's Bangla activity. He has been very, very keen. And just like I was saying about Udeshri Brinda, whatever I said about Udeshri Brinda applies to Ritan also. He was very keen not to miss up and not to bring troubles for this team. And he was apologizing when a team member committed a mistake and he was into the flow. And during the last round, he got into some technicalities, and just like Balaji, his vocal expression has also been improved. So I really appreciate Ritan Nitish for this good first-class improvement that he is showing. So he has secured 41 out of 50.
Very well done, Ritan.
Thank you, Siddhi.
Coming to Sanjay Bhaskar, so who has been a silent Bhaskar whenever he was in the online team, and he was in Pondicherry, he was a different guy, and now after coming to the direct session, he's a different guy. So he is very balanced. He has a balanced mindset, and he goes pretty much well along with Dakshin Siddharth. Most of the boys here go along well with Dakshin Siddharth when he is in the team. That is a point where he is not reprimanding and he is not dominating. That's a good quality in you.
Thank you.
So that is why Sanjay was able to. Sanjay, the point is, like Balaji has always been doing in the past 2 years with all the MS evening session members, without ego and without the kind of self-awareness that he is the most senior person, he never shows the domination and he tries to be very humble. The same qualities in Sanjay also. So he has been doing really good, and he has. Although the voice musicality and the volume has to be raised, but he speaks really well, so I'd like to give 40 out of 50 for that.
Very well done, Sanjay Anna.
Coming to Aswathaman, so Aswathaman has been a regulated kid. So in the previous round, Aswathaman had to go under a serious strenuous operation. Operation was success and patient was dead, but he was trying to show his reformation in the next round. And I was browsing through, last night I was browsing through all the team discussion content and texts. He has really shown a lot of improvement, where to speak and where not to speak, where to intrude and where not to intrude. So that was there and I was able to observe, and I referred through some of the videos of the team discussion as well. He kept his line and he kept his control. So during the presentation also, he spoke only what Dakshin Siddharth and other members instructed, and he was straight to the point and he spoke picture perfect, correct, and to the point ratio. So I would like to give him 40.
Well done, Aswathaman.
Well done, Ashwathaman.
Well done, Ashwathaman.
Okay, right. So let's go for the final score of the team. Oh, I'm on that. Hello, you're on that. Right. Okay, jokes apart. Team Dakshin Siddharth. Team Ritan Nitish has got Dakshin Siddharth. Last but by no means the least. So yeah, Dakshin, as far as his presentation was concerned, he's always obsessed with holding a mic and he tries to speak as if he's a press reporter. His poor mom was expecting him to become a pilot, and this little rabbit wanted to become a collector, a civil servant, and he's always portraying as if he's a media reporter in the MSc sessions. But in any case, he did really well and balanced the technicalities of the team. You know, the reason why I'm giving the mark beyond the 35 and 36 is the plan was really good. Both the teams, the planning was really good. So here they included the excerpt. Like Team CPR included a lot of excerpts in the first round, but in Team Ritan Nitish there was an excerpt about the case study of the racial discrimination, specifically racial discrimination in the 1990s. You added one excerpt in this. That's a very important one with the balance of what you have done. So he has explained that, and during the team discussion he was very active, and he came up and explained about the two roles. I hope I did justice in the two roles. More than thank you. So it was good planning, and he knew when to stoop and when to conquer. He knew when to speak more, when to speak less, and he always wanted to have putting himself at the back, and he always wanted to forge on with his members to be on the front. So on that note, I really appreciate your professional way of presenting. 45.
Very well done, Dakshinanna.
Very
Very
well
well
done.
done, Dakshinanna.
247 for Team Ritan. 7%. Yeah, coming to that.
295, sir, with 30 marks bonus.
Okay, get the average of it.
Sir.
No, you will.
41.
41.
Yes.
We will have 38.
38.
38 as the service.
288.
38. Seventh person compensation score is 38 for them, and that comes about 280 plus, right?
281.
281. Inclusive of everything, all the bonus and all that, give me the grand total.
Sir, 675, sir.
675 for Team Civi. Kalpita Balaji, do you have any cross corrections?
Sir, I got it as 685, sir. Mitra, the first
Yes, sir.
round score was 320, right?
I got it as 350, ka.
315 or 350, Mitra?
After 350. Sir,
So 685, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 marks. You gave 10 marks for good.
Yeah.
10. Sir, 693.
No, not for
693.
693.
Yes.
685 and 693.
We gave some bonuses for Ashwathaman.
Yeah. So including offices.
90.
Okay. Now, you solved the problem of the old lady. You solved the problem of Martin, Franklin, Sheriff. So all those people have disappeared. Now we are coming to the climax of this particular story called Stanley Buggle. All the members got a little suspicious, and now the feast is over. 210 college students came there and they all had a celebration. They all had a lot of programs and they had very good dinner. And the next day morning, all the college students left. And now, all the boys have planned to idealize Stanley. And they wanted to give him a gift for this wonderful stay for about 8 days here. So they called Stanley to the conference room. So there, when the boys were about to give the gift, both the college students, like both Team Ritten and Team CBR, that is Victoria Glory College and Pioneer College, both joined hands together to check what is really ironical and what is really strange and a little bit fizzy in terms of Stanley's bungalow. So they would like to have a confrontation with Stanley. So with regard to that, they sent a local text in his inbox, in his separate inbox that is in his room. There is a console where these people can, just like a walkie-talkie, these people can text messages. So Stanley sees the messages, and in that one message, what Lakshmi Siddharth had written is, "We need to talk to you very seriously." So Stanley takes that a little bit personal, and he says, "Okay, fine. So we are meeting after lunch. We finish our lunch by 1 o'clock, and we are meeting at conference hall at 2 o'clock." So 2 o'clock, all the people have gathered. So Stanley comes in. So this is your last one. Okay. So Stanley comes here. What are you going to talk and deal with Stanley? Stanley is there. Stanley என்ன பேச போறீங்க? அவன் எப்படி இருக்கலாம்? என்ன? See, already பார்த்தா என்ன தெரியாது? இந்த மாதிரி இங்க தான் நடந்தது. அந்த மூணு பசங்களை பார்த்துட்டு இவனுக்கு தெரியாது. ஆனா இவனுக்கு தெரியாது. இவன் இங்க தான் நடந்தாங்க. So he was stuck. So, இவனுக்கு தெரியாதா? நான் போய் பார்த்தேன். அவுட்
இன்னும் ஓடி
அது
அதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து சார் காலேஜ் சார் யுஎஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணாங்க சாயங்காலம் வரைக்கும் அதான் ஓடி.
So,
சரி சார் சார்ஜ் பிடிச்சு
எப்படா அந்த வாசல் சார்ஜ்
சார் இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு சார்.
So, he has always been giving this kind of ironical expression. So, how are you going to deal with Stanley? This is your last one. என்ன கேட்க போறீங்க? என்ன நீங்க தான் முடிவு. என்கிட்ட ஒரு பிளான் இருக்கு. நீங்க அந்த பிளானுக்கு நேரீங்க அவருக்கு.
நீங்க யாரும் நான் கண்டுபிடி என்ன
அவர்கிட்ட நீங்க போய் கேட்குறீங்க. என்ன திடீர்னு பார்த்தா ஒரு அம்மா இங்க இருக்காங்க. அந்த அம்மா காணோம். நாங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணா எல்லாம் ஓகே. திடீர்னு பார்த்தா 3 பசங்க வந்தானுங்க. உயிர் கொடுத்து 2-3 நாள் அதுக்கு ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணி அவனுக்கு 3 பேருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணோம். ஆனா ஒரு தேங்க்ஸ் கூட சொல்லல. அவனுக்கு காணோம். யார் விடுங்க? யார் நீ படிக்கும்போது ஒழுங்கா தான் இருந்த என்ன சொன்னது அப்படிங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அதை நீங்க எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு நான் கேட்கிறேன். புரியுதா? அப்புறம் அவங்களுடைய டிராவல் பிளான் எப்படி, ரிட்டர்ன் எப்படி, ஸ்டான்லி உங்களை விட்டான்னா
மண்டே மாசம்
இருக்குடா. கைலாஷ் வேற மண்டே செஷன் கேட்டிருக்கேன். என்ன பண்ண
எப்போ சார் எவ்வளோ நேரம்
அவன் வந்தான்னா அவன் பேசிட்டே இருப்பான். அவன் நினைச்சிட்டு அவன் தெரியும் நீங்க கேள்வி கேட்டீங்க. அவன் என்னமோ சொல்றான் பேலன்ஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். பரவாயில்ல. ஓகே, மேட்ச் நான் சொல்லிட்டேன். வேர்ட் இஸ் அ வேர்ட். ஸோ ஒரு தனியா இந்த ஸ்டான்லிஸ் பங்களால கூட வேணாம்.
ஓகே,
நம்ம தனியா ஒரு ரெக்ரியேஷன் மேட்ச் மாதிரி ஒரு ஆமா இன்னொரு புரிய ஸ்டான்லிஸ். ஆமா பின்ன சிஆர்எஸ்ல எழுதுனது. ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை ஒரு இதை வச்சுக்கிட்டு திங்கக்கிழமை கண்டினியூ ஆகும். சிஆர்எஸ்ல போற டியூட்டி இனிமே ஆகுது. சனிக்கிழமை ஒன்று முடிச்சிடணும். சிஆர்எஸ்ல மண்டே புதுசா ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா இருக்கு. That's how the MLA. இதுல என்ன ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவீங்க?
இதற்கு கேள்வி கேட்கணும் எப்படி?
அது பண்ணிட்டு முடிக்க பார்க்கலாம். அப்படி இல்லை அப்படின்னா அது கண்டினியூ பண்ணுவோம். மண்டே இதை முடிச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் மேட்ச்.
ஓகே, எஸ் சார்.
Any questions?
No sir.
No sir.
பிரசன்டேஷன்ஸ் தான் வருது. அடுத்த வாரம் எல்லா வீடியோ எல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு 4 பேருக்கு வீடியோ கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அந்த பிரசன்டேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். உன்னுடைய டொமஸ்டிக் அனிமல், வைல்ட் அனிமல் பிரசன்டேஷன் இருக்குல்ல, ஜீரா சவாகிரகம் தான் எழுதிருக்கீங்களா, அதை வந்து நீ சவாகிரம் பண்ண டியூஸ்டே.
The other people who haven't been given therapies, the therapy, if they are interested, can I know on extra
point is on July 15th, the US batch will attend around. So other it's
Only 1 day.
it's a day of 1 year anniversary of US batch. I started on July 17th, 2020. So July 15th, I think all those US batch people have promised that they are coming for Indian batch. Just like Mohit is doing. So அன்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த கிரண் மிதாஸ்ரீ எல்லாம் வந்து சார் நாங்களே பார்த்துக்கிறோம். சரி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ நீங்க எல்லாம் பேசி என்ன முடிவு பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அது என்னன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும்.
6.0 sir. 7.0
sir.
நான் ஒண்ணுமே சொல்லல.
Sir, you சொல்றீங்க சார் cultural fest.
Yes sir, you were told sir.
சொன்னா.
டேய் அவனுக்கு என்ன பிளான் பண்ணானு தெரியல. என்ன அவங்க கிட்ட பேச.
நாம பிளான் பண்றது cultural fest. நாம பேச போறோம்.
Sir.
You already planned that. என்னடா பிளான் பண்ணீங்க? உட்டரு. ஜூலை 15th 14th நான் மண்டே கேட் சொல்லு. 15th ஆரம்பிச்சேன். ஆனா அது அவங்களுக்கு ஸ்கெட்யூல். மோஹித், yes.
Sir, on July 15th, do we have Culture Fest, sir?
Yes, Mohit, yes. Sir said okay.
Yes, Mohit.
கல்பிதா, நான் எப்ப சொன்னேன்?
Sir, you said so now only, sir.
Yes sir, you said now listen.
That's going to be on July 14th. July 14th. நான் பேசுறேன். அதான் நான் பேசுறேன். அவங்ககிட்ட பேசுறேன். Actually, I started US batch on July 15th, exactly 7:45 p.m. Indian time and 9 o'clock US time. Mohit was the first person to show up on the video with the headphone. So, அது நடந்து ஒரு வருஷம் ஆகுது. But July 15th நான் பண்ணேன்னா, that's actually Thursday, which is not a scheduled day for US batch. US batch அவங்களுக்கு Monday, Wednesday and Friday மட்டும். So அவங்களுடைய Wednesday ல பண்ணிடலாம். So instead of Thursday the 15th, we will do it on Wednesday the 14th.
Oh.
Okay. 14th evening, Wednesday 14th evening. But I will talk to them and I will.
But I have doubts.
Yes, Mohit.
Sir, what is the timing for the combined session, sir?
Mohit, I will give you complete information on Monday. So,
Okay.
yeah, after discussing with those guys, I will give you the complete information on Monday.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Nowadays, sir, that is for there, Wednesday, you are having that Thursday morning 4:30, right, sir? So we will be having the same time, you know, sir. Like 5:30 or
No, if it is Thursday, that's what I'm saying. If it is Thursday evening,
yes, sir.
they will wake up there Thursday morning.
Yes, sir.
Thursday, அவங்களுக்கு class 80. Monday, Wednesday, Friday மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு class.
Yes, sir.
Either they will have to come on Wednesday the 14th, or they will have to come on Friday the 16th.
Okay, sir.
So அத நான் வந்து Monday அவங்க classல கேட்டுட்டு உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் confirm பண்ணுறேன். Okay.
Yes.
So we will make sure that within that we will finish up a neat activity. ஏன்னா நீங்க ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லா
Cultural fest. Cultural.
Yes, Guru Prasanna.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Ah.
Sir, you told we can choose a partner for the therapy presentation, sir. Can we choose a partner who has a presentation, and can we do 2 therapies with a presentation, sir?
Anything is fine. உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா ஒரு பார்ட்னர் சூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். So choosing a partner is not mandatory. And if you are liking to choose a partner, and if the partner is willing to go with a double presentation along with you, you can very much do that. அசத்தானன் அப்புறம் ரித்த நிதிஷ் எல்லாம் வந்து சார் பார்ட்னர் இல்லாம தனியா பண்ணலாமான்னு கேட்டாங்க. I said okay. So you can go by your own taste. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, MSc is not
இருக்க வயசான. Any doubts? You are having only 10 to 15 minutes team discussion. Any questions?
No, sir.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, Brita.
Sir, then shall I also go with one separate presentation, sir, without partner?
அவளை மியூட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
ஓ
ஏய் பாலாஜி லூசாடா நீங்க
நம்மள மீட் பண்ணிட்டாங்களா
ஆந்தாதி நாடகம்
Sorry,
பார்த்துட்டு
sir. Sir, I tried to unmute, sir, but phone got stuck, sir. So sorry for unmuting, sir.
இல்ல நான் நீங்க மியூட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா
லூஸ் பையல மியூட் பண்ணடா நீங்க அப்பதே செஷன்ல இருந்து தூக்கிட்டான் பாலாஜி கிக் யூ அவுட் ஆஃப் தி காலேஜ் ஆமா
ஆளாடி என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்க அது படிக்கிறோம்
ஆமா அப்படிதான் வந்துச்சு ஸ்கேட்ல அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி பாலாஜி கிக் யூ அவுட் ஆஃப் தி காலேஜ்
சார் இந்த தர்ஷினி நாங்க சார் நான் மார்க்கவே மாட்டேன் சொன்னேன்
Okay, shall we go for the team discussion?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
நீங்க அதே மாதிரி அந்த
சார் நான்
All right, 15 minutes time. Quick,
sir 15 sir
15
20
Okay, sir.
நீ பண்ற பாக்கணும்
இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நாள்